the fish here in Hinatuan, in Chad River. Ayan na. Exactly 12. Ayan na sila. Ayan na sila. Wow, ganda. Oh, grabe. So nice. We are here in Enchanted River. Ayan, pag 12, exactly 12 noon. Mag-fish feeding with music. Ana. Ay! Mato sila ang nag-feeding. Wow! So nice! Wow! Ay, grabe ka nagko, oh. Yan, super ganda. Ay, grabe ka nagano. Gagpo kayo. So nice. Wow. Oh, wow. Oh, grabe. Uy, kadagko ba? Enchanted River na to ang Surigao Shore. Sa pagka ingani lang yun sila maglabas. Mamaya mawala na yan sila bigla. Tomorrow na naman. Yan, so nice, nice, nice. Maka-amaze. Dito lang yan sa Surigao Shore. Wow. 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 So nice. Wow. Napod siya mga gagmay. Nagpakilid. Oh, madag ko na ba sila? So nice, nice, nice. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. Wow, grabe ka nice. Okay, ayan, palapit-lapit eh. Wow, uy, uy. Nakita ko, malaki. Ang laki, ayan, oo. Thank you. O yan, mawala na yan, oh.
By Modesto Farla to Robert Mon many years ago called Rio Encantado about a local maiden he fell in
Wala
love
na yan
with.
sila.
It was given